Looking for a tablet that balances performance, portability, and price without compromise? The Lenovo Tab M11 promises to deliver with its 11 inches FHD display, MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core power, 4 GB RAM, and a sleek folio case included. But does it live up to the buzz? With 10-hour battery life, 128 GB storage, and Android 13, this tablet targets students, professionals, and casual users who need a versatile device for work, streaming, and light gaming. But is it smooth enough for multitasking? Does the display truly impress? And how does it stack up against rivals like the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus or Xiaomi Pad 6? In this no-nonsense review, we'll test its speed, screen quality, battery endurance, and real-world usability to answer the big question. Is the Lenovo Tab M11 a steal or just another mid-tier tablet? Let's dive in. Design and build quality, slim and lightweight construction. The Lenovo Tab M11 features a minimalist, lightweight design with a Luna Gray finish. It weighs just 1.03 pounds, 467 grams, and has a thickness of 0.28 inches, 7.15 millimeters, making it highly portable. Premium feel with plastic build. While the tablet uses a polycarbonate plastic body, it feels sturdy and well-built. The matte finish resists fingerprints, and the rounded edges ensure a comfortable grip. Folio case included. The tablet comes with a premium folio case that provides screen protection and doubles as a stand for hands-free viewing. Display performance. 11-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 LCD panel. The 11-inch IPS LCD display offers sharp visuals with a 16:10 aspect ratio, making it great for movies, reading, and browsing. Brightness and color accuracy. Peak brightness. Approximately 400 nits, good for indoor use. Color gamut. Covers sRGB well, but not as vibrant as AMOLED. Viewing angles. Strong with minimal color shift. Ambient light sensor. The display automatically adjusts brightness based on surroundings, enhancing visibility in different lighting conditions. Hardware and performance. MediaTek Helio G88 processor. The octa-core Helio G88, 2x Cortex A75 plus 6x Cortex A55, provides decent mid-range performance for web browsing, streaming, Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, light gaming, e.g. Genshin Impact at low settings. 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB. Storage. Multitasking. Handles 3 to 4 apps smoothly, but may struggle with heavy workloads. Expandable storage. Supports micro SD cards up to 1 TB. Benchmark scores. Geekbench 5. Approximately 350. Single core. Tilde 1300. Multi-core. PC Mark Work 3.0. Tilde 6500. Similar to Snapdragon 680. Software and user experience. Android 13 with Lenovo optimizations, near stock Android with minimal bloatware. Useful features: split-screen multitasking, kids mode, reading mode. Expected updates: likely to get Android 14, but long-term support is uncertain. User interface and navigation: smooth scrolling in most apps. Occasional stutters when switching between heavy apps. Battery life and charging: 7,040 mAh. Battery, up to 10 hours of mixed usage. Video playback, browsing, light gaming. Standby efficiency, loses approximately 5% overnight. USB-C charging, 10W. No fast charging, takes approximately 3 hours for a full charge. Power-efficient processor helps extend battery life. Camera quality, 13 megapixels. Rear camera, decent in good lighting, but struggles in low light. 1080p video recording, usable for quick clips. 8 megapixels. Front camera, good for video calls. Zoom, Google Meet. Soft details and selfies. Audio and multimedia experience, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. Loud and clear for a tablet. Lacks bass, but good for podcasts and movies. 3.5 millimeters headphone jack, useful for wired headphones. Connectivity and ports. Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, and Bluetooth 5.1. Stable connections, but no Wi-Fi 6. Bluetooth works well with wireless earbuds. USB circa 2.0 port. File transfers and charging. No video output. Accessories: folio case and pen. Included folio case. Protects screen and acts as a stand. Magnetic attachment for easy removal. Optional Lenovo Precision Pen 2, sold separately. Good for note-taking, but not as precise as Samsung S Pen. Gaming performance. Helio G88 plus Mali G52 GPU. Casual games, Candy Crush, Among Us, smooth. Heavy games. Genshin Impact, COD Mobile. Playable at low-medium settings. Productivity and multitasking. Good for students in office work. Google Docs, Microsoft Office run well. Split-screen multitasking is useful. Limitations. 4 GB RAM can be limiting for heavy multitaskers. Pros, affordable. Pros and cons. Pros, affordable price. Sharp 11-inch FHD Plus display. Good battery life, 10 hours. Lightweight and portable. Includes folio case. Cons, mediocre low-light cameras. No fast charging. 4 GB RAM limits heavy multitasking. Plastic build. Not premium feeling. Final verdict and recommendations. Who should buy it? Students needing a budget tablet for notes and reading. Casual users for streaming and browsing. Parents looking for a kid-friendly device. Who should avoid it? Power users needing high-end performance. Photographers wanting great cameras. Final conclusion. After thoroughly reviewing the Lenovo Tab M11, it's clear that this tablet is a strong contender in the budget-friendly Android tablet market. With its 11-inch Full HD Plus display, MediaTek Helio G88 processor, 4 GB RAM, and 128 GB storage, it offers a balanced experience for casual users, students, and entertainment seekers.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.